This is the last video of this playlist. Here I make this page as responsive and handle the scroll bar. So how this error come? Because in handle scroll button I forgot pass the argument, like which switch first is get. So now you can check this error is gone. So first you can if anything you forget to write the JS code, then you can simply pause the video and get the code. And now first we make the page as responsive. So for that add a media query in CSS file, and I use like 720 pixel of screen size. Here I use only one media size, but if you want like different screen size, then you can Google it and use the different media screen size. But for this page you can simply use 720 pixel is enough for that. So first container, for container I want to show as a column. For flex direction padding is 0 and width I take as a 90%, because I want some padding or some spaces around the elements or around the div. Second one is title. The font size is little bit large, so I want some reduce the font size. And the third one is the like but we can change the layout size. So for tab section I want some padding around them, and if any one tab is not visible on the screen side, that it's simply scrollable. You can scroll that. Last one is the not last one, and here make as a responsive this section, like whole section is so display as a flex, and flex direction is column. And now switch container track is like the main div. Okay, position is inherit and sorry relative. If any HTML code which is if you think that my some point you not write any code, then you can simply pause the video and write all the remaining codes. Now li I want some for this screen size I want only 2 LIs should be visible. So for that I want width should be 60%. At this side or the bigger screen it is 30%, you can check here, but in a smaller screen only 2 div is visible. So for that I want simply width as 60%. Now it's I think it's more look clear and attractive. Next one is this UL section. So display again I want as a flex direction as column, and for track and li, and after that this li, the subpart width should be 100% and margin is 0. Now you can check here the bigger screen it's look like this one, and a smaller one you can check here. Now come another part. This scrollable code is already functioning, like when I scroll left or right the button is visible, like opacity is reduced or then button click handle. Okay, when I click on buttons like left buttons or right button, so first at starting I want show only the right button because the div is already in right side, and fire on event listener for right button, like when the user click on right button then event is fired. First I take as a current scrollable position. So first I whenever I click the button I scroll only 2 divs, 2 li. So for that I first I need to get the positions of the current LIs, and max scroll should be like switch list and get the scrollable width minus switch list and client width. So here I get the max scroll, and I can check here like my current scrollable position. You can simply play with that the value play with the values like how much portion you want to show, and how much of opacity you want for the buttons. So you can play with the code, and now inside the condition here I check if that the condition is satisfied or get the true value, then left button should be display block and the opacity is 1. At the starting it is 0. At the starting it is 0.3. Similarly for the right button, and after that I plus the scrollable left, means how many portion or how many LIs is moved to left or right. Now this part is working fine for the right hand side, but actually I think I mistaked some part. I need this value inside if condition. Okay, so first if I think if my current scroll position is 0, then this should be visible, and if the condition is false then it goes to the else part, and here I can simply again write these if condition and change the condition like if greater than the 0, then that case button should be visible, or opacity of the button is low or more. You can change according to you. So it's all depend on you. You can play with this condition and debug in browser, so you can easily check the behavior of how JavaScript actually work. Now but I think that right event listener is done, and move to second one. So copy the section and grab the left button. When user click or fire the click event, then handle these scenarios like first grab the current scrollable position. So I want same values, I can copy from above, and here I get the values, and check the condition. If current scroll position is greater or equal, so I need to remove this slide width into 2. So if this if condition is satisfied, and here I'm multiply with the slide width into 2 because I want 2 div or handle with the 2 LIs. Now this position, current scroll position greater than 0, then these things be visible or hide, unhide. So it's a large part, you can change the values according to you what the condition you want. And so this is the pure JavaScript code, not here I not use any third party package of JavaScript like Scrollable and the tab switching. And this is the, I think, purest JavaScript code, and you can easily understand how these functionalities actually work. Here I can change as the max scroll value, and right button, style. Actually I don't want right button when it's already in last LI. So yeah, if you like this playlist, then please like, subscribe and comment and share with your friends so my channel can grow. And for more videos I will make another playlist related to JavaScript, HTML, CSS or Java. Yeah. Now it's working here, you can check. So thanks for watching, see you again, bye.